everyone, I'm Klara. Subscribe to my channel and like my video to improve your English. See you later! Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm great. We're in Los Angeles today. Since we're in America, we couldn't miss this city. Have you been to Los Angeles before? This is my first time. The city looks really beautiful and cool, but I have no idea where to go. By the way, folks, do you like my videos? What kind of videos would you like to see? Share your ideas with me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is a nice spot to park. Let's park here. Let's go explore this city now. Let's see what happens. I already really like it. I hope you like it too, guys. What's your favorite season, guys? Do you know what mine is? I love winter the most. I absolutely love very, very cold weather. I can almost hear you saying, if you love winter, what are you doing in Los Angeles? You're right. Where should my next destination be? What about Russia, Siberia, or somewhere else? I love to travel, but especially in the winter. Cold weather makes me more productive. Let's see what the back streets of Los Angeles are like, folks. I think the only way to understand a city is to see its less popular parts.
Oh yeah, look over there! I found that famous Hollywood mountain. Wow, it really looks amazing, doesn't it? So cool, guys.
Well, it's nice, but what does it mean? Do you guys know? What does this Hollywood sign mean? Is it just because this is the movie city? I don't know. I love traveling to different countries and cities, but I'm not very interested in history. I mean, why would I be interested in an event that happened 500 years ago? I mean, to get to know a city, you first need to look at how the people live today. That's what I always do. Unless you're a historian or a philologist or an archaeologist, why would you be interested in the old buildings of cities? And I need to look at how people live in other countries. Excuse me, is there a nice restaurant nearby? I've been walking for about half an hour and haven't found anywhere. Oh, yes. You might not find a restaurant right here, but walk a little way to the right. You'll see lots of restaurants. Thank you. Wow, there are so many restaurants here, folks. What should I eat? Oh, you know I'm on a diet, so burger joints are out of the question. Actually, I could have some fish. I haven't eaten any fish this week. You know, for health reasons, we're supposed to eat fish at least twice a week. Luckily, I like fish. Do you? Oh yeah, I think I've found it. This looks like a nice fish restaurant. Let's go in and see. I hope they have delicious fish. They all look really good. Or maybe I'm just very hungry. What should I eat? I've got it. Grilled salmon would be great. I love it. I'll have some sparkling water with lemon as a drink. It goes well with fish. Oh wait, I forgot the salad. There are seasonal salads over there. Okay. Have you decided? I can take your order? Oh yes, I'd like grilled salmon, sparkling water with lemon, and green salad, please. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. I guess it's not what I expected. I don't really like it. Let me look at the salad. The salad isn't quite what I wanted. But how can that be? This looks like a nice restaurant. What should I do? Excuse me. Yes? Can I have the bill? Is there a problem? You haven't eaten your meal. Well, I didn't really like the food. The groom isn't to my taste. I'd like to pay the bill and leave. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Then you don't have to pay the bill. This restaurant really surprised me, but I didn't really like the food. I guess I'll have to take matters into my own hands. I'm going to head to my caravan and cook my own food. Hey everyone, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Take care. I love you all. Goodbye.